Here is the MTH Rail King Trump 2024. It's an SD70ACe Imperial diesel engine, and very nicely done. It has Proto Sound 3.0, and I have made a little train that kind of goes along with the Trump 2024, his commitments. Of course, the big thing he said was, drill, baby, drill, and that's what he's done in the 2 years. He also didn't push all of the green agenda that cost so much money and didn't work out. So he didn't close down the coal plants, and that was good. Then he worked out trades. So there's a boxcar, helped the farmer, and he shined some light on all kind of corruption there. He's made our military great again, and helping to make America free, knocking out the narco-terrorists. And then one of his big commitments was, let's send the illegals home, put them on a plane, or in this case a train, and send them out. And so that's my little Trump promise train of 2024, and that's what he did. And you'll get to see it run. Okay, the Trump 2024 presidential train with his promises that he's kept in the cars. Nice to have politicians keep his promises, isn't it?